So if you guys watch my build plans for my BMW M235i video, you guys will know that, yeah, the mod bug has sort of hit me already, and I am itching to get some mods in on my car to put some aftermarket goodies, spice up the looks, the performance on my M235i. Well, today I am excited because I guess you could say the second official mod for this car has arrived, and that is courtesy of my friends over at Omega Tuning. I will leave a link to their Instagram handle right here, as well as in the description box down below. Be sure to check them out, guys, because they hooked it up and they have really amazing products. Let me show you guys what I got. Some OEM M Performance carbon fiber exhaust tips. So I've never actually really done an unboxing video before, so I hope this camera angle works. I'm sitting pretty low to make sure that I stay level with the camera. But here is the box. As you guys can see, really high quality United States Postal Service box. I mean, it's to be expected. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. There's some packaging tape on it. They have their own packing tape actually that says Omega Tuning on it, which is kind of cool. Go ahead and open this. And let me go ahead and show you guys what's in this box. So, wow, pretty nicely packaged. We have these two boxes. I assume each carbon fiber tip is going to be in each box. And then there's some nice bubble wrap that's sort of protecting it all. Really nice. Let's go ahead and open up this first box right here. All right, and we actually have some more bubble wrap, which is pretty cool. It's nice to know that everything is protected and shipped nicely. And yep, here is the first carbon fiber tip. Damn, these look nice. Holy shit. Wow, guys, let me go ahead and bring these in the lights and get a better camera angle on them, but man, these look good. So in terms of the overall quality, fit and finish, and just look of these exhaust tips, I gotta say they're fantastic. I think these are about 3.5 to 4 inches in diameter. I'm not quite sure about the specifics, but they definitely are larger in diameter than the OEM exhaust tips. The carbon fiber shell overlay on them is really nice. It is real carbon fiber. It is coated in a sort of lacquer or clear coat, so it really has this nice glossy sheen on it. Obviously you can see the M logo from BMW is sort of embossed into the metal carbon fiber tip, which is a really cool feature. And I gotta say, they're awesome. I actually chose the all gloss black ones. You can choose the carbon fiber ones, but you can actually get the exhaust pipe in like an aluminum chrome finish as well if you prefer that. But I really wanted that all black to kind of stay in touch with that stealthy kind of carbon fiber look that I'm going for with the contrast of the Astoral blue on this car. You can also see something that's pretty cool, if the camera will focus, that these actually say BMW M Performance, and they say Akrapovic below that, made in Slovenia. Just a nice little touch because it's a BMW M Performance goodie. And obviously there's clamps on these. There are no welding, cutting, or anything. These are just slip-on exhaust tips, and you tighten up the clamps and you should be good to go theoretically. So let's go ahead and put these on and let's see how they look. Just a quick update, guys. We actually got the first exhaust tip off. Here is the rear end of it actually, and you can see it in comparison with the new M Performance one. You guys can obviously see the difference in quality and cleanliness, of course. We ran into a slight issue. So to take these exhaust tips off, I was just using a mallet and I just kept banging on it from the rear, and it finally popped right off, no issues. Now the only thing is this exhaust tip has this slit in it basically so that it can slide through onto that, and I guess that maybe helps fasten the exhaust tip or something on it, but this one does not. Now the only thing is, when you try to slide this exhaust tip on, it fits perfectly, but it stops right there, and it looks funny sticking out that far. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut that piece off, and then we're just gonna use the clamp that this thing already comes with, which is right here, let's go ahead and fasten it secure. In order to basically cut off that little metal piece that's sticking out, what we're going to be doing is actually removing the rear diffuser on the car. I'm going to just go ahead and unfasten all the rivets, pull the diffuser out, and then that'll give me enough room to go ahead and cut that little piece that's sticking out.